Every Mother's Day, carnations are a must. It's still in time to crochet one now. Today I'll teach you how to crochet this carnation. It's a flower bouquet with an attached coaster. When wrapped like this, it looks like a bouquet. We'll use 4-strand milk cotton yarn with a 2.5mm hook. The coaster base is the same as the flower blanket. I already shared a beginner tutorial before. First, crochet the base part. Remember to pull it out evenly to all sides. That way it's flat and won't spiral. Here I made 7 rounds, that's enough. Now let's crochet the lacy edging. Chain 2 to start, this does not count as a stitch. Make 1 double crochet. Then chain 2. Skip 1 stitch, go into the next stitch, repeat with a double crochet. The pattern this round is double crochet, chain 2. Continue this all around. Join with a slip stitch to the first stitch. This is how it looks finished. Chain 2 again to start. We'll begin the last round. This round is worked into the chain, 2 spaces. First, make 2 double crochets. Then chain 2. Then make 2 more double crochets. That's 1 set. Skip 1 chain space. Work into the next space. Repeat the same pattern. Finish the round on your own. At the end, chain 1 and fasten off. Weave in the yarn tail on the back. The coaster base is done. Now let's crochet the carnation. Insert your hook into any stitch. The slip stitch spot usually looks messy, so I place the flower there to cover it. Bring in the yarn and chain 1. Round 1, make 6 single crochets. Remember to leave a long yarn tail. Chain 2, turn your work. Round 2, work into the back loops only. Here you have 6 back loops. In each back loop, make 3 double crochets. When finished, turn to the front side. On this side, there are 6 back loops left. Crochet them the same way as before. Make 3 double crochets into each stitch. Join with a slip stitch to the first stitch. Chain 2 to start round 3. This round is the same. Work 3 double crochets into each stitch, but this time, go through both loops normally. No need to work into back loops only. Here's how it looks when finished. Join with a slip stitch to the first stitch. For the last round of edging, you can change yarn, but I won't. In the first chain, make 1 single crochet. Then chain 3. Just like this. Repeat this pattern in every stitch. Work all the way around. At the end, join the last group with a slip stitch. Chain 1 and fasten off. Weave in the yarn tail. The flower part is finished at this step. My hands are already numb. I'm sure no one wants to keep crocheting. Let's just take a yarn needle and sew the flower down. Insert the needle from the back of the flower. Remember to leave a yarn tail at the back, then stitch it down randomly. It actually looks more natural if it twists a bit. At the bottom, turn around and sew upward again. This step is the most relaxing. After sewing, pull on it slightly. Stretch and flatten it out. Tie 2 knots at the back to secure. And that's it. Finally, let's crochet a tie and some leaves. Isn't it simple? Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.